Hi y'all, Lindsay Duff here with Responsible Day Trading. Coming here today to you from my kitchen because I think I maybe did a little more damage to my tailbone than I thought I did. So a standing desk has been much better. I'm also coming to you today with my whole lot of nope, and that is for this craziness that's going on in the market. There is a lot happening. When I got here this morning and turned it on finally, I thought my internet was out, but then realized that they put a halt on things for a little bit because it had dropped so much, all these algorithms just pushing it further and further down, that they had to put a halt to that bit. Some suggestions for people who want to protect their sanity and their trading accounts. I would sit this out. It is spring break here in Sugar Land, Texas, or in the Houston area, so the kids are out for the week, so we're going to spend some time doing a few things. If you feel you must trade, start looking through market replays. Play those, trade them. But the market that is happening right now is not our normal market. So we don't want to get so involved in that. So just taking a deep breath and saying, it's okay if I'm not trading the live market right now. I want to protect myself and my account. And we live in a world that says that we have to go, go, go. And it's okay to just sit back and watch it sometimes and let these things work themselves out. I know recently I said I don't think this is going to last forever, especially this morning. I was like, we don't have much news. This can't last forever. And it obviously will not last forever, but it's going on right now. We can take moves, but these bars, even on my 233, they're 5-point bars. No, thank you. So I have a program that I'm launching next week. I'm kind of doing some beta testing to make things more available for people to be able to learn how to make responsible decisions in the market. So with that being said, I will not be around this week between spring break and the things I want to have taken care of for that. And I'm just going to let this craziness work itself out. Now, I did set aside Wednesday for trading, so I might come back for that. We'll see. I mean, just because today is the way it is doesn't mean tomorrow will be that same way. So suggestions for responsible day traders who do not want to get caught up in the hype. Go and look back through market replays. Trade them. Go through static data. Just go bar by bar. And if you don't know what bar by bar is, just scroll one bar at a time. You can put it on the global crosshairs that will move along with your other charts. So you can just scroll bar by bar and say, okay, I see reversal bar patterns, I see divergences, I see head and shoulders, all these things, snapbacks telling me it's time to get in the trade. And that way, just familiarizing ourselves with the patterns that we need to see. Then I would suggest that you go through replay data to do that. And then if you absolutely feel you must, simulate what's going on right here, unless you are fully prepared to have a bigger risk or to just be able to breathe through these things, just to learn. Make this a learning experience, okay? There's a lot of things at play that are making this very difficult to trade. So just sitting back, watching it, let it do its thing. We don't have to be a part of the craziness and the hype. And that's all the advice I've got for you. So I'm hoping after spring break has sprung that this thing is slowed down. It's taken its breather. If not, I'll see what's going on Wednesday. But otherwise, guys, take a deep breath, be responsible. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.